Hey guys, December is upon us and I am actually trading for vacation. So I got a funded next account, 300k account. So I just want to use it to trade for the vacation. So my target is 20k and I'm going to be showing you exactly how I place all of the trades. So it's going to be a series until I hit that goal. So stay tuned and I'm going to see you as we progress with this series. All right. So in my last analysis, I actually wanted to see price reject this 1.16615 and 1.16453 area that didn't happen. So price came to the upper region here. If you've been following my analysis, you know how I do this. So I'm going to be selling from this top here. Then I'll go for a quick 2 to 1 or 3 to 1. All right, so watch me place this trade and the profit after that, hopefully. So for this, I have a fresh 300k account with funded next. So I'm going to be placing the trade, a new funded account actually on funded next. So I'm going to be placing this trade on that account. One is 200k, so it's the trade is going to be copied to the 100k account. All right, so first of all, I need to calculate my risk. All right, my lot size. That's what you should be doing. So account balance, I told you, is a fresh 200 funded account. I just got the funded account certificate. So yep, 200k. So I'll be risking 3% on this trade. Stop loss in pips. Let me put my sell order. I'll be getting in here. My stop loss will be above the wick of this 4-hour candle here. Or I'll just put it above this zone. Then I'll go for a 2 to 1. Today is Friday anyways, so I may be closing early, but let's see if it's going to hit our target before we close for the week. So stop loss in pips is 20.2 pips. So let's go calculate it. Stop loss 20.2. Calculate. So it's asking me to use 29.7 standard lots. All right. So that's a 3% risk. I'll go ahead and place the trade. So I'll copy the stop loss here. I'll double click on this, copy the stop loss value. Stop loss is 1.17238 and TP is 1.16627. All right. So I'll go ahead and set that stop loss and then see how it all plays out. So I'll put in the stop loss and the TP. All right, I've forgotten the quote of the TP, but I mentioned it earlier, right? So you will see me put the TP when the trade plays out. All right. So yeah, fingers crossed. Let's see how this plays out. Once I hit my target, or maybe I close manually before the end of the day, I'm going to be withdrawing that profit. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video. So profit is 11,790. That's a 2 to 1 trade. So I ended up closing the trade at 1:1. It obviously went to the target way beyond 2 to 1 within Friday, but I was going out and I won't be available before market close. I didn't want to hold the trade over the weekend, so it's a high risk trade. I was risking 3% on a funded prop account, so you can understand. So, but I closed at around 1:1. So this was the trade. You can see the lot size and the TP, but I closed manually when it hit 6,890. So I've not placed another trade on this because I'm waiting for Tuesday next week. That's bi-weekly payment on funded next. So I'm waiting for Tuesday to place my withdrawal. Once I get this 6k, then I'll go and place the other trade. So if you want to learn how I trade the market, how I analyze, how I execute trades, how I choose stop losses and TPs, our next mentorship class is starting on the 10th of November, which is next month. All right. And you people have been asking for a discount. So here we go, 15% discount for the next 11 applicants. All right. So it's all for grabs for the fastest fingers. And so for the Forex Professional course, we're also giving a 15% discount for the next or for the first 32 applicants. All right, so take opportunity of that and watch out for the next episode of this series. Hopefully I hit my targets without blowing those accounts, and we may probably meet during vacation in person. All right, so have a fantastic day and watch out for the next episode. Bye, guys.